Did you know that baking is good for your well-being? Here's 10 proven facts. Stress relief. Baking can be a relaxing and meditative activity that helps reduce stress and anxiety. Baking has been known to provide stress relief for many people due to its calming and meditative nature. The process of measuring and mixing ingredients, kneading dough, and watching baked goods rise in the oven can be therapeutic and soothing. The repetitive actions of baking can help to create a sense of mindfulness and focus, which can be especially helpful for those experiencing stress or anxiety. Moreover, baking can provide a sense of control and predictability, which is particularly helpful for those who feel overwhelmed or uncertain in other areas of their lives. Creative outlet. Baking allows for creativity and self-expression through experimenting with different ingredients, flavors, and decorations. Baking can be a great creative outlet for those who enjoy experimenting with different ingredients, flavors, and decorations. With endless possibilities, baking provides an opportunity for individuals to express themselves and their unique personalities through the creation of one-of-a-kind baked goods. The process of baking involves following a recipe, but there is plenty of room for experimentation and creativity. One can substitute ingredients, adjust measurements, or add unique flavors to create something truly unique. Sense of accomplishment. Baking can provide a great sense of accomplishment, which can significantly improve one's self-esteem and confidence. Successfully creating a delicious and visually appealing baked good can be a real confidence booster, especially for those who may struggle with self-doubt or uncertainty. The process of baking involves following a recipe, carefully measuring ingredients, and following precise instructions to create a perfect finished product. Achieving this requires attention to detail, patience, and skill. The satisfaction that comes from successfully completing each step and creating a beautiful and delicious finished product can be incredibly rewarding. Overall, the feeling of accomplishment that comes with baking can be a significant contributor to self-esteem and confidence. Successfully creating something beautiful and delicious can provide a sense of pride and fulfillment, which can positively impact one's overall well-being. Mindfulness practice. Baking can be a great way to practice mindfulness and improve concentration. The process of measuring and mixing ingredients requires careful attention to detail and concentration, which can help to focus the mind and cultivate mindfulness. When baking, one must pay close attention to the recipe and carefully measure each ingredient. This requires a high level of focus and concentration, which can help to clear the mind of distractions and improve mental clarity. As one becomes more familiar with the process of baking, they may find that they are able to focus more easily and achieve a greater level of concentration. Furthermore, the repetitive actions involved in baking, such as kneading dough or stirring batter, can be soothing and meditative. This can help to calm the mind and reduce stress, promoting a greater sense of relaxation and well-being. Overall, baking can be a great way to develop mindfulness and improve concentration. By focusing on the present moment and carefully attending to each step of the baking process, individuals can cultivate a greater sense of mindfulness and improve their ability to concentrate. This can have numerous benefits for overall well-being, including reducing stress and promoting mental clarity. Social connection. Baking is not only a fun and enjoyable activity, but it can also facilitate social connections and bring people together. The act of sharing baked goods with friends and family can create a sense of warmth and connectedness that is essential to overall well-being. Baking and sharing baked goods can create opportunities for social interaction and bonding. The process of baking can be a collaborative activity, with friends and family members working together to create delicious treats. Additionally, sharing baked goods with others can lead to conversations and a sense of community, which can be important for mental and emotional well-being. Baking can also be a way to express care and affection for others. The act of baking for someone can be a meaningful and thoughtful gesture that shows love and appreciation. Whether it is a special occasion or just a regular day, baking and sharing treats can create moments of joy and connection that can have a positive impact on overall well-being. Moreover, baking can create a sense of tradition and nostalgia, especially when it is done with loved ones. Baking and sharing family recipes can be a way to connect with one's heritage and create lasting memories with family members. Overall, baking can be an excellent way to facilitate social connections and create a sense of community. Whether it is baking for others, sharing treats with loved ones, or collaborating on baking projects, baking can be a fun and rewarding way to connect with others and promote overall well-being.